Do you feel that you're not a natural writer? Do you sometimes struggle to translate the brilliant stuff up here into something that works on here? I want to show you a single thing that you can start doing today that will help you get your ideas down on paper in a way that's compelling, elegant, persuasive. And if you incorporate this habit into your writing process, you're going to have the edge over other writers. So let's start by thinking of writing as a process, and a process with the following stages. Research, planning and ordering, writing, rewriting, proofreading. What I'd like you to do is I'd like you to pause the lecture there and jot down what percentage of your time you typically spend on each of these stages. Now, your scores may vary from job to job. For example, some of my jobs are more research intensive than others, but here roughly is what I put down for those figures. Research, 20%, planning and ordering, 5%, writing, 15%, rewriting, 50%, proofreading, 10%. How do these figures compare with your own? Are you surprised at how much time I have to spend editing my own work? That even though I'm paid to write, I never get it right first time? Well, here's the thing. If there's one thing that separates good writers from bad writers, it's not about the writing at all. It's about the editing. Every professional writer I know doesn't consider themselves a natural writer. Instead, they consider themselves a great self-editor. It's been said that writing is the art of the second thought. So don't fret about the writing. Instead, get comfortable with that horrible, cringe-worthy first draft. Get it down on paper, safe in the knowledge that the magic happens not when you write, but when you edit.